What's going on, subscribers? I know it's been a long ass time since I've done anything. Update anything about my car, what's going on, but here it is. I've been pretty busy, life. But yeah, let's get to it. So currently right now, I have my motor out. This ain't it. This is just a spare K20 A2. Don't worry about that. But I do have my motor out, which is over here. I did end up selling my turbo kit, the PR kit, due to me needing money a while back. So yeah, I sold it. I'll be like half a year ago already. So this motor's just been sitting. This is a K20 Z3 with K24 A2 bottom block, bell head, stock bottom, just Type S oil pump. And yeah, this motor is gonna get rebuilt. I'm gonna do gonna build a block. I'm gonna do piston rods, nipping RBB pistons, scat rods, and pro OEM bearings. But I gotta get my measurements and everything. The micro polish crank. Yeah, the head is just gonna stay how it is. It's already built. Skunk 2 stage 1 cams, valve, and it's gonna stay how it is. But yeah, this is my car right now. I just got everything jacked up. I'm currently the new shit that I'm doing to this car is I'm gonna do suspension work, because my previous setup, I was on fucking bone stock suspension. You can see these are fucking factory right here. Stock shock, stock springs. I'm pretty sure that's why I wasn't getting any good handling, or I wasn't able to put my power down without sacrificing my handling. But yeah, I currently got this car jacked up. See, stock. So yeah, I gotta do a lot of stuff to it. I gotta replace my brakes, rotors. Yeah, shit hasn't been replaced, and it's been giving me some issues too. I believe they're warped, or they got hot spots on this, so they're not braking correctly when I'm out there, doing my thing. But yeah, an update on the tranny is I'm not really doing anything to it. I'm just switching out the final drive. SI, the Z3s come with the 4.7 drive. I'm gonna swap it out for a RXX, base RXX 5-speed 4.3 final drive. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm probably just gonna replace all the synchros and sleeves with the rebuild kit and bearings. These bearings there. Other than that, then that's all I'm doing with the transmission. I'm not putting no aftermarket gears yet. Maybe in the future. And also, I'm currently gonna do these full race ball joints. Well, solid. These are all solid metal. I'm gonna do those to kind of help me with wheel hop and traction, a little bit of traction issues, with barrel handling. I did order a set of coilovers, but they're not here yet. So when they do come in, I'll show you guys what I got going on. I said it's a slow build, but it's a lot of shit to do. And if you guys work on your own car, you guys know that. You guys know what I'm talking about. It takes time. Yeah, and engine bay, I'm not gonna do anything to the engine bay. I'm probably just gonna leave it. I did delete the AC. As you guys can see, that's probably it. Everything else, I'm gonna leave. But then I do plan to get the CX racing kit, turbo kit, so because now they make it for our car. They make it for the agents, and I believe that it's a lot to me. Like, yeah, it's, you want to buy quality, and to buy quality, but CX racing will do the job if you know what you're trying to aim for and you know what you're doing. So it's gonna be a sidewinder kit that's gonna come out with a sidewinder turbo manifold, and I might have to move some of this shit around, relocate some stuff, or heat wrap some stuff, some more shit. But other than that, then yeah, but that's later on when I do get the kit. Yeah, so it's just a little update. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I do plan to do a 4-3 final drive so I could be in my gears longer instead of shifting so early, and because of that 4.7 final, since I'm gonna be boosted again. But yeah, until next time, be safe out there, and hope to see. I know I'm subscribed to some of my own subscribers, so hope to see you guys' build also. Later.